Good morning, folks. JT here.
Joanne.
Scenic Driveways. How you doing this morning? Today we'd like to show you a little accessory we got for our camping needs. My wife and I have been carrying our laundry back and forth to the laundromat, and sometimes when it's wet it's pretty heavy. So Joanne's going to demonstrate what we bought here. Alright, Joe.
So we got this little fold-up wagon that you see.
Yeah, bring it right out here and put it on the grass,
there.
Joe.
Huh?
Bring it right out here, put it on the grass for him.
Okay. Hang on
Comes
sec.
with a nice carry handle. That's what she's undoing right now.
Yeah. Yeah, as you can see, it folds up pretty compact.
Talk loud enough.
It folds up pretty compact, and it's really like a lawn and garden. It's got the nice wide wheels, which makes it nice for the gravel
Spinning around here.
that you see in a lot of campgrounds.
Okay. And these tires here, when you open it, go ahead, open it up a little bit. Okay. They spin around.
Yeah. And then it locks, this piece here locks it so
Yep.
that the wheels stay. And then you just put this down and it opens in.
It locks right in place.
Whoops, this part here got caught on the Velcro somehow.
Oh, it got caught in the handle.
Oh, that's what happened. All right. So to close it, you're just going to pull this up. See how easy that is?
Yep.
All right. So we have to be mindful of that.
All right.
Now I've undone everything. I'm going to reset this. Okay.
All right. So
There
it's
we
going to
go.
push it back down.
There.
Now,
It folds
show them the
up
adjustable
nice.
handle.
Yes, so you can pull it like a wagon. This lifts up to adjust the height. It just snaps in place.
And show them the
And then
back
you
here.
just unsnapped it.
Yep.
So there's that. Or you can press this button.
Both of them.
Oh,
two
you
buttons.
press both. And then this lifts up.
Goes all the way up to the
Yep,
top.
it does. And then you can push it.
You can go up further than that too.
Oh,
It'll
there
go
we
straight up.
Yeah, there it goes. And then you can push it too, like a cart, if you want to.
And it has a 300-pound capacity,
Yep.
which is pretty good for a little wagon like that. There's the manufacturer. We got it with the nice wide tires here because we
cup
roll it on gravel.
holders, or little cup holders, or little pockets here.
Take our coffee to the laundromat with us.
Or
Can
a
even
little
use it.
pocket here.
Yeah,
Which
can
is
even
nice
use.
for your coins.
Yeah, you could even use it on the beach or in the grocery store to pick up your groceries or for whatever
There's
you need
a
it
lot
for.
of uses.
Well, folks, thank you for watching. Joe, say goodbye.
See ya. Oh, gee, stealing Tom and Lori's tagline again.
Yeah.
I gotta quit doing that.
Thanks for watching, folks. God bless you all.